Once you've set up all the basics of the maintenance contract, from the maintenance contract screen, you can create one or more contract billings right here. This is what the contract billing page looks like. The billing details will show you when the bills are going out and for how much, right here. Here you can see that the billing occurs monthly because the bills are going out every 1 month. You can also see the next billing date, as well as the last billing date, and if there's a billing end date. If you go back to the maintenance contract main page, you can also add a service schedule right here. This is what the service schedule page looks like. This is where you can create your service activities, or as you may know them, tickets. The schedule tracks key scheduling information, and it allows you to say what equipment is maintained and when. The scheduling information will automatically create service activities for the period based on the service date information. So for an example, right here, the service period is monthly, and this will start March 1st. So if you go down, you can see the scheduling automation, and then you can also see the list of service activities that can be found that are related to this contract.